Hello, my name is Hannah Bhakta, and today we'll be learning about logarithmic equations with a variable in the argument. Let's begin with the logarithmic properties. First, we have the product rule. Log base bx plus log base by equals log base bx times y. Then we have the quotient rule. Log base bx minus log base by equals log base bx over y. And finally, the power rule. P times log base bx equals log base bx to the power of p. So now that we've learned our properties, I think it's time for some examples. Okay, example 1, we're going to start off by solving for x. We have log base 10x plus log base 10 4 equals log base 10 24 minus log base 10 2. We're going to use our quotient rule that we learned earlier, and we're going to have 24 divided by 2. When we simplify it, we end up with log base 10 12. Okay, so continuing from where we left off, we're going to use the product rule now, and we're going to combine the x and the 4, so we get 4x. Now we know that 4x equals 12, so we're going to simplify that. By dividing both sides, we get x equals 12 over 4, and as our final answer, we get x equals 3. Okay, example 2, we're still solving for x. So this time we're going to use our product rule. 3 times 12 equals 36. Now we're going to use our power rule. We know that log base 10 36 equals log base 10 6 to the x power. When we simplify that, we get 36 equals 6 to x power, and we know x equals 2. Okay, moving on to example 3, we're going to solve for x, but this time we're going to start off using our quotient rule. And we have 32 divided by 2, we know that's 16. And then we're going to use our power rule, and we know 16 equals 4 to the x power, and x equals 2. So that concludes the end of our lesson on logarithmic equations with variables in the argument.
Created using Powtoon.